Halloween party at Teresa's at school?
No, I'm going to go to the birthday patch and home.
You mean pumpkin patch?
Pumpkin patch?
Field trip.
Pumpkin patch, and then pretty soon you're going to be 4 years old, Mom.
I'm going to pumpkin patch in 2 days.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. And what's Halloween? And Halloween. I don't know the number about Halloween.
Yeah.
30 days.
30 days.
Good job.
Hey, Grandma.
Don't bang it, you'll break it.
Hey, Grandma. Come
What?
on. Hey, what? Why no? Why? So, where is?
Have you seen that baby?
Oh, can I cereal?
You're on the phone.
Hey,
Are you about Ben Thompson?
You want to get something to eat?
but it. Hey, come on. Come on.
Hi.
Come on.
Hey, Jackson. Hey, Jackson.
I can see you there.
You could see her?
Are you going to eat?
Tell your grandma that you have homework.
I see you there.
I can hear you. Did Dana have a new baby yet?
Yeah, it comes now to me, but it comes now. But it's going back.
Is it a boy or a girl?
A boy.
A boy like you and your dad
Yes.
and Isaiah and Uncle Travis. They're all you guys are boys, huh?
Yeah. Even Jason.
Jason's a boy too, that's right. And your grandpa?
Yeah.
He's a boy too.
Who else is a boy, Grandma?
Who's your best friend at Teresa's at school? Is that a boy too?
Yeah. Thanks, Ryder.
Yeah. And Teresa's husband, that's a boy.
It's Alex.
So, what?
Alex is a boy.
Alex is a boy.
Alex is a boy.
What about Ethan?
Right.
Ethan and...
Ethan at Bacon School. He's a boy. Pick it up, back, so. Pick it up, back, so, pick it up, back, so, back.
You talk a lot?
Pick it up, back. What up?
You talk a lot.
Rocket.
Constantly, huh?
Rocket. I see you there.
You don't see her in there.
Yes, I do.
What's she look like? She look like you?
I can't see you. Me either.
I didn't see you.
What's she look like?
No, you can't.
I see you.
You can't see me.
I can. Hey,
What color?
see my eyes.
Huh?
See my eyes in there. Hey.
You can see my eyes?
Yeah. So you're looking at me. What?
Yeah, I see you now. I see you.
I know. Go to bingo.
You have your hat on?
No.
No.
No. It's on the ground. Ground. Hey, don't work.
Do you have homework for Teresa?
I'm done talking.
Well, you tell grandma that. Tell her you got to.
Well, I love you.
What's playing to Red Bush?
Just tell her you love her too. Say goodbye.
Bye. Love you too.
Bye.
Let's play into Red Bush.
The orange one.
Where are those?
There you go.
There.
Okay.
I'm going to
Good job, Jackson.